296 meditation on causing suffering to others. There are people who are not at all concerned about the harm they inflict on others. They believe the main thing is that they themselves come out of the situation unscathed. Once again, this problem stems from a lack of awareness. The more we make others suffer, the more we accumulate causes for our own future suffering. Furthermore, since we thereby harm society, we are doubly harming ourselves. We are all connected. When we realize that we are all one, you would not cut your own arm, right? Don't hurt someone else. It doesn't make sense. Meditate on that, baby. Mwah.